Hi, I'm Subhadra Bhupatiraju, been in the field of yoga from past 20 plus years. I have my own studio at Hyderabad, and earlier I had a clinical experience of 13 years working in corporate hospitals here. So in my studio, I run both online and offline. I have a good number offline and little bit of number at the online also. But always I used to feel the need to scale up my business by approaching more and more people. I know there is a limitation for to bring the people to my studio. So that is when I felt that I should scale up my service and the business as well through online platforms. So that is when I was going through the Instagram post. I have seen Viru Sir's Holistic Health Society, and I went through it, and immediately I registered myself, and then post webinar then and there I've registered myself for this plan of HHS. And then the journey started so well that sir have a lot of patience to explain everything to me, and then in 3 months of time I could able to start my webinar of rebuild with postnatal yoga. See, there were challenges, I accept that, while doing it, because many of the yoga teachers, we feel that why should we learn the technical aspect of it? We wanted to give the service from our end. So it's true. But with the 20 plus years of experience myself, though the studio was running well, but my team of the people were not having that much amount of the people where actually they could handle also. So that's when I felt what's wrong in me learning the technique. First I thought of hiring to someone outside, but it was pretty expensive for me each month. Then I spoke with my team also. They said that ma'am, we'll go with this course, and then we continued there. So what helped me is, because if at all I hire it to someone, I don't think they would understand my pulse, and I was learning, and so because of that reason I was where I have to go and what I have to put in, and over a period of like 3 months of time I could start my webinar, and I started running my meta ads, and then so it's helping me how to grow ahead in this kind of a platform. I'm very helpful to Viruji because of his patience, his understanding, and being there for as and when it is required, because there will be inner circle calls for us, one-on-one, we can book the slots. All these plans are also helped me to launch my webinar, and also how to filter my ads, also the demographic details and all that stuff. And from there I went to the further upscale myself in the diamond membership also with sir. I'm very helpful to sir. Whatever we are able to go and do it today, it's because of the Holistic Health Society of B. Naren Kulkarni sir. Thank you so much, sir.